Hi everybody and welcome back to SiArtShopChannel. Okay guys, this is another tutorial on how to make a fake 99 ice cream. And without further ado, let me show you where we're at. Okay, last time, if you followed the sequence of tutorials, I showed you how to make the cone and paint it. And what I've done now is I've just stuck some cardboard in there because obviously that's quite a big cavity in there, and I'll be filling this with ice cream in a minute, fake ice cream, and I don't want to waste it, so I put that there as a barrier. And all it is a piece of toilet roll, and I've cut it to shape and I've glued it in with a hot glue gun, so we're all ready to go with that. The other thing we will need for this is this, which is acrylic sealant white, and this is going to be for the ice cream. And I've actually put that into a piping bag all ready to go like so. We need our fake flake, Cadbury's Flake, chocolate flake, and this is the foil one that I made. And if you're not sure how to make this, there's a separate tutorial on how to make that, and this is the foil one. We've got our fake nuts, which is corn cob, which is animal bedding, so that's for our fake nuts. And we've also got our 3D doodle paint, red, because that's going to be for strawberry sauce. Okay. And we've also got our tea light, because I'm going to try and make this into a candle. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pipe the fake ice cream all on there like it would look like in real life, ice cream wise. Then I'm going to put the flake in. I'm going to put the nuts on and the strawberry sauce. And then I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to let it drop. Now I might flick it, I'm not too sure. Usually because it's going to be a lot of acrylic sealant on there, it will probably flop anyway. So I think I'll need to be quick. I've never done this before, guys, but I think I'll need to be quick. So I'm going to do it, make it, and then let it flop. And then it would just stay there and set for a few days. And just before we finish up today, I'll also try and put a tea light in there and fit it into the ice cream part. And then that will hopefully stay in the ice cream part. And when this is all finished and completely finished off, and you need another candle once you've used this tea light up, you just take that out. Well, it won't be there anyway, and you'll just pop a new one in there. So hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, write in the comments below and I'll explain it again. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with it. Now, this is either going to be very good and work lovely, or it's going to not work and it's going to be a bit of a pain. But whatever it is, it's going to be fun. And that's the main thing. So I've been really looking forward to doing this and showing you guys. So I think I'll need to be a bit clever with my hands and everything, because I think I'll be all fingers and thumbs, because there's a lot of stuff to put on this particular ice cream. So hopefully I've used the whole of the acrylic sealant, so all that is in there. Normally I wouldn't use this much, but because I want it to flop as if I've dropped the ice cream, then hopefully this will work. So let's see how we get on with this, guys. So wish me luck. So I'm just going to pop a bit in there and just go around and fill all that. So that's used quite a lot up already. So let me just try and do this the best I can. So there we go, we're building it up. Let me just build it up even more, like so. Hopefully you can see this. Now I've got to be clever with this because it will collapse anyway. And I want to put a bit more on there if I can. So like so. So now that looks just like a 99, doesn't it? So I'm quickly going to do this, guys, so wish me luck. So I'm going to pop the flake in. I'll pop it in there because I think I need it to go like that. So I'm going to go like that, and I'm going to quickly put the nuts on. Look at that. Doesn't that look marvelous? And then the strawberry sauce, which you would just, hopefully you can see this. I think my hand might be in the way, but oh, and it's squirting everywhere. Oh, it's hard to get it out. So let me just try and do that. So there we go. So we've got that. So that would look great anyway, wouldn't it? As it is. But I'm going to let it drop. So here we go. Wish me luck. There we go. So that wasn't too bad, actually. I thought that was going to be a nightmare. But it's not. So now I can't move it because that's where it's going to lie. Okay. I might put a few little more nets on there. Just like so. And a few little more. This is a good thing about that because people wouldn't know that you've done that. Okay. So look at that. Doesn't that look good? Now, the idea is, like I've said, to pop this tea light, I thought just about there. And then if I can get it level, then when this is all dried and finished off, because there's still bits to do with this once it's all dried off, guys. Yeah, once I push that down, and then it should stick in there, and then we'll be able to use this as a candle. So you can put this out on the side somewhere, wherever you need a candle. And it would be unusual, won't it, to have a ice cream just falling on the floor like that with a candle in. So that was my thinking. So I'm going to try and do it now, guys. So wish me luck. So I just want it there. Now I need to make sure it's level. So it just has to stick. Oh, this might actually work. So I'm just having a quick look sideways just to make sure this is level. And it does. Now the only thing I haven't really thought of is, which if I was doing this again, is obviously you can see, I thought it would push down more and you wouldn't see the sides, but I'm not going to worry too much about that because it doesn't look too bad. But what I could do is actually paint it when everything's dry and it's really set well all around the edge there if I'm not happy with that silver forward edge. But I'm going to leave it because I don't want to mess about with it too much because it will all collapse. And so basically, guys, that is it. That's where we're at with that. So the idea was it looks like it's been dropped and there's a candle on it now because we're going to give it another use. Okay. Now you're probably thinking, what else is going to happen? Well, around these edges, I'm going to put some other bits and pieces, but just to show it off, like because some cones have hundreds of thousands on and cream and different bits and pieces. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to wait. I'm probably going to give this a good week or more before I even attempt to get this off this foil. And then I'll come back and do another clip just to show you how you finish it all off. And I might put some little shading at the bottom there and leave it like that. So yeah, that's where we are, guys. So I'm really pleased how that's come out. So I just got to make sure I don't mess about with it anymore and just leave it to do its thing. Now it might flop even more because that's quite a lot of filler there, and if that does, that's great because that just adds to the effect. But I just love using this acrylic sealant because it looks just like real soft scoop ice cream. And yeah, so it's all good stuff. So I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Thanks for watching. Any queries, any questions for me, put in the comments below and I'll answer those for you, no problem. And thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.